And I got to tell you, I cannot believe I'm standing here right now because you were such an inspiration to me back in the day when I worked at CNN and I came home from the graveyard shift. I would turn on the telly and there you were, and I would watch you cook. And this whole idea was seriously, are you kidding? 1000%. And this whole idea was so present in the way that you cooked. You told these stories and shared these tips that you had learned from your family. To this day, Rachel, I put nutmeg in my spinach because of you, and that you had learned it from your family to this day. So I'm so grateful that you would have me on to talk to you because it feels like I'm talking to someone I've known forever.
Well, I have to tell you, I just love the moments that this book gives you. Yes. It gives you mindfulness and then the freedom to put yourself down on paper.
You know, I don't know about you, but I sort of feel like family recipes are in danger. And I think it's because we kind of take them for granted. Unless you sort of sit with your grandmother or your aunt, you know, the woman that adds a little bit of this and a little bit of that, you're never going to get it written down.
Never tells you what.
Yeah,
right, and
exactly.
never tells you the truth about what it is.